Hey guys, in this quick video I will show you how you can get the best sign-up bonus possible on the platform Toobit. You simply have to go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can create your account and you are automatically eligible for the best sign-up bonus possible, which is $9,210 of bonuses that you can get up to this number right here. I will show you how you can get all of that. First of all, if you sign up, you will get immediately your first $5, and then if you transfer a minimum of $10 to your futures trading account, you will get an extra $5, so $10 that you can easily pick up. Other than that, you can get up to $200 if you're using the copy trading functionality. Let's go in here, and you can see that right here. If you experience any loss at your first copy trade, you will receive everything that you have made as a loss for up to $200. So pretty nice to use that too. And then other than that, the last up to $9,000 you can pick up by simply depositing on and trading these amounts within your first 7 days after registration. And you will get these bonuses that you can see here, which is up to $9,000 of bonuses. So these are the best sign-up bonuses that you can get on Toobit, and you will always be eligible to get all of them by using the link down from the description. All you need to do is simply enter the details right here or choose one of these two options, and then you're ready to go. If you need any other tutorials on the platform Toobit, I have linked them all down in the video description, and you can also find them on my YouTube channel. And if you have any other questions, of course, as always, feel free to ask them in the comments.